Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Mom.
Did you sleep well?
Yes, Mom, I slept very well.
Wonderful. Today is a beautiful school day.
I'm excited to go to school.
Alex, look!
It's a beautiful morning. I slept very well.
Wonderful. Let's get ready for school.
Yes, I can't wait to see my
Alex,
friends.
wash your face.
Yes, Mom.
Use clean water.
My face feels fresh.
You look wonderful.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Mom.
Alex, it's time to brush your teeth.
Yes, Mom, I'll brush them now.
Brush gently and clean every tooth.
Okay, Mom, I want strong, healthy teeth.
Excellent. Keep smiling.
Alex,
It's time to take a bath.
Okay, Mom.
Use soap and warm water.
I will, Mom. Wonderful.
Enjoy your
Alex,
bath. It's time to wear your school uniform.
Yes, Mom, I'm getting ready.
You look very smart today.
Thank you, Mom.
Have confidence and enjoy your school day.
I will, Mom.
Good morning, Alex. Eat your breakfast.
Thank you, Mom.
Drink your milk too.
Yes, I will.
Have a wonderful day at school.
I will. Thank you.
Bye, Alex. Have a great day.
Bye, Mom.
Study well and be kind.
I will, Mom.
See you this afternoon.
See you later.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Mr. John. Hi, Alex. Sit with me. Thanks, Ryan. Let's have a great day.
Good morning, children.
Good morning, teacher. We're happy to be here.
Welcome. Let's have a great day.
Yes, let's go. May I come in, teacher?
Yes, please come in.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome. Take your seat.
Yes, teacher.
Alex.
Present, teacher.
Very good.
Thank you, teacher.
Let's begin today's
Alex,
class. Read the first sentence.
The sun is bright today.
Very good, Alex.
Thank you, teacher.
Keep reading.
Teacher, may I drink water?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, teacher.
You're welcome.
I'll be back.
Write today's date.
Yes, teacher.
Write neatly.
I will, teacher.
Use your best handwriting.
I'm writing carefully.
Excellent work, Alex.
Thank you, teacher. May I go to the restroom?
Yes, you may.
Thank you, teacher.
Please walk carefully.
Yes, teacher.
Come back quickly.
I will, teacher.
Very good. Read after me.
Yes, teacher.
I like English.
I like English.
English is fun.
English is fun.
Excellent reading.
Thank you, teacher. It's lunchtime. Yes, I'm hungry. Let's eat together. That's a great idea. What do you have? I have rice and vegetables. I have sandwiches and fruit. Enjoy your lunch. Would you like some fruit? Yes, please. Here is an apple for you. That's very kind of you. You're welcome, Ryan. Your lunch looks delicious. Let's enjoy our lunch together. Yes, have a great lunch. Have some water, please. Of course, Alex. Thank you very much. Here you are. The water is nice and cool. I'm glad you like it. Thank you for sharing. You're always welcome. Our lunch is finished. Let's clean our table. I'll put my lunchbox away. I'll throw away the trash. Our table looks clean now. Great teamwork, Alex. Thank you, Ryan. You're welcome. Let's go back to class. Ryan, it's time to go back to class. Yes, let's walk together. I enjoyed our lunch. Me too. It was delicious.
Welcome back, everyone.
Thank you, teacher.
Are you ready to learn?
Yes, teacher, I'm ready.
Please open your English book.
My book is open.
Excellent. Let's begin.
I'm excited to learn.
Alex, what is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is English.
Why do you like English?
Because it's fun to learn.
That's a wonderful answer.
Thank you, teacher.
Keep practicing. Alex, please read.
Yes, teacher.
Start with the first line.
The cat is sleeping.
Well done.
Thank you.
Keep reading.
I love my school.
The school bell has rung.
Yes, teacher.
Please pack your school bag.
My school bag is ready.
Walk safely and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow, teacher.
Have a wonderful evening.
Thank you.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, Ryan. Goodbye, Alex. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Have a nice evening. Thank you, you too. Take care. Bye. Have a safe trip home.
Welcome home, Alex.
I'm home.
How was your day at school?
It was wonderful.
What did you learn today?
I learned English conversations.
Excellent. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Mom.
It's homework time.
Okay, Mom.
Please finish your English homework.
I will do it carefully.
Do you need any help?
No, thank you it.
Wonderful, do your best.
I will, Mom. Mom, can you help me?
Of course, Alex.
I don't understand this question.
Let's read it together.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome.
Now I understand.
Excellent, keep going.
Mom, I finished my homework.
Wonderful, Alex.
Can you check it, please?
Of course.
Did I do well?
Yes, you did a great job.
Thank you, Mom.
I'm proud of you. Let's read a story.
Yes, Mom.
Open the first page.
It's a beautiful story.
Read the first sentence.
Once upon a time.
Wonderful reading.
Thank you, Mom.
Alex, dinner is ready.
Thank you, Mom.
Please wash your hands first.
I already washed my hands.
Enjoy your dinner.
The food is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Thank you for the wonderful dinner.
Alex, it's bedtime.
Okay, Mom.
Did you enjoy today?
Yes, I had night, Mom.
Good night, Alex.